Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight's video, I'm going to be talking about and running my vacuum cleaner I just bought from OK Family Thrift Store yesterday. Yeah, what I especially got is the Eureka self-propelled upright vacuum cleaner. It was made in 1987. This was a 1987's model, and this thing was really, really old. And I first bought it, and what I knew about this machine, this was a late 80s model, and also, I remember yesterday, me and my father really had to go to the vacuum section yesterday at the OK Family Thrift Store. And also, me and my father and my brother Lucas, we were going to the vacuum section, and me and my brother Lucas found something in the section right there. They had a Hoover convertible. It had a missing wheel to it. And there is a shop vac, was a Genie shop vac. I might get that when I go out with Lucy Toe, okay? Guys, I'm really, really happy. Very thrilled. If I ever find the exact same vacuum cleaner, I found the same one right here. And I remember it cost about $16, and I just remember my dad took it to the front desk one time and asked the lady, said, "Ma'am, how much does that vacuum cleaner cost?" It was about $16. And my dad told me you know what? It is for sale. It cost about $16. And that place used to be in a vacuum store in a really long time. And what I found out, I found the tag right there. That sewing vac store, that tag was right on there. And what I knew about this machine, and also I found this one. I was really, really lucky to find a Eureka ESP upright vacuum cleaner. Was made in 1987. And this was made out of cloth. Well, everybody, I'm going to run my vacuum cleaner. Instead of me talking, I'm going to run it and see. I'm going to give her a good run. 3, 2, 1, action. The self-propelled works. Very powerful, you guys. Come on. Yep, it's working pretty good. The self-propelled is working very fantastically. Well, everybody, I finally got to run my 1987's Eureka self-propelled upright vacuum cleaner. This thing is really powerful. And also, I didn't vacuum up some rocks, it's making a click sound. But it's normal. It's normal. And I just really found out I love using these machines. And they were very, very powerful. And the reason why I love using them, because I love older Eurekas. If I ever find one, it will cross my path. Okay? And also, I will always find more of these. And I still need to get more series of them, get more belts for it. I love older Eurekas. They are very, very powerful machines. And also, anyway, you guys, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. And click on the notification what you like to see. Or if you want to or not, let me know. If you want to subscribe to my channel, and I will be making more videos every day, full time, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to be doing vacuum cleaner comparisons with the black 1992's Eureka and the tan Eureka from 1987 was made out of cloth. And the other one was made out of cotton. And also, everybody, I'll see you then. Bye.